Week 11, Video 9. Namaskar. Data handling ethics, secure storage and responsible sharing, and protection of linguistic evidence. Evidence is not just text, it is a person's private world. Welcome back. Today, we explore the ethical heart of managing linguistic evidence, data handling. Every WhatsApp chat, every voicemail, every email, every scribbled note carries personal history. When this enters forensic analysis, we become custodians of someone's emotions, memories, and vulnerabilities. Handling such data is not a technical step, it is an ethical promise. So, what are data handling ethics? Data handling ethics involves protecting sensitive information at every stage: collection, storage, analysis, reporting, and destruction. It ensures that forensic evidence does not cause new harm. It doesn't leak into public spaces or becomes misused. Ethical data handling protects the dignity of the people whose words we study, even when they are not present to protect themselves. Secure storage, keeping evidence safe without fail. Linguistic evidence must be stored in secure, encrypted environments. Personal devices should be avoided. Cloud storage must follow institutional protocols. Sensitive files should be locked with metadata logs showing who accessed them. The goal is simple: no unauthorized person should ever see these texts. Once trust is broken, it cannot be repaired. Data minimization, keeping only what you truly need. Ethical data handling requires minimizing the amount of identifiable information stored, keeping only what is necessary for analysis. Remove irrelevant conversations, blur out the identities, anonymize phone numbers, and mask personal details. Excess data multiplies risk. Minimal data reduces harm. Anonymization, protecting people even when the data is used. Whenever possible, replace such names with labels such as Speaker A, Writer X, or Victim 1. Remove address details, explicit identifiers, or sensitive references. Anonymization ensures that forensic analysis can proceed without exposing identities unnecessarily. It protects victims, accused persons, and peripheral individuals who may not even know their words were captured. Ethical sharing. Who should see the data and who should never? Only individuals involved directly in the investigation should access linguistic evidence. Improper sharing, even casually among colleagues, is unethical. Screenshots must not circulate informally. Sensitive excerpts must not be shown during lectures without consent or anonymization. Ethical sharing requires strict judgment. Let us look at a case reflection. When mishandled data caused secondary harm. In a cyber stalking case, a junior officer mistakenly shared intimate chat logs with a group not involved in the investigation. The victim suffered humiliation and the case encountered complications. The linguistic team had to rebuild trust. This incident teaches us that data is not neutral, it carries emotional weight. Mishandling harms real people. Avoiding personal bias when handling sensitive data. Texts involving abuse, romance, conflict, or trauma can evoke emotional reactions. But ethical data handling demands professional distance. You must read with compassion, but analyze without judgment. Data is evidence, not gossip. Respect for privacy begins within your own mind. Data retention and destruction. When the work is done, let the data go. After a case concludes, retain only what is legally required. Everything else should be securely deleted. Holding sensitive data without purpose increases risk. Ethical responsibility includes knowing when to let data go responsibly, permanently, and transparently. Digital footprints and invisible risk. Digital evidence contains hidden footprints, timestamps, location tags, device identifiers. This metadata can expose things people never intended to reveal. Ethical linguists must treat metadata with the same seriousness as text. Before sharing or presenting evidence, ensure metadata is scrubbed unless necessary for the legal context. Chain of custody, ethical and legal documentation. Every transfer of evidence must be documented. Who handled it, when, why, and under whose authority. A broken chain of custody undermines credibility. Ethical linguists maintain meticulous logs to demonstrate professionalism and protect the integrity of the investigation. The difference between legal access and ethical access. Sometimes access is legally allowed but ethically questionable. Just because you can view a message does not mean you should. Ethics makes you ask deeper questions. Does viewing this help the case? Is the invasion justified by necessity? Will this harm anyone unnecessarily? Ethical access demands moral judgment beyond legal compliance. Ethical data handling builds trust, and trust builds justice. Thank you for joining this crucial session. Ethical data handling ensures that forensic linguistics remains a discipline rooted in dignity and fairness. When we protect data, we protect people. In the next video, we explore courtroom restraints and the ethical challenges of presenting linguistic evidence under legal pressure. Thank you.